Come diagnose a check engine light on this 2021 Trailblazer with me. So we've gone ahead and scanned the vehicle, and the only codes we had in the beginning were a P0102 for the mass airflow sensor low frequency and a P1101. Looking at data while it's running, you can see the mass airflow sensor has no grams per second reading. So the mass airflow sensor on this vehicle only has 4 circuits going to it. We have an ignition circuit. As you can see, we have about battery voltage on. It has a ground circuit, continuity to ground. We have a LIN bus, which shows about 10 or 11 volts. And if we put it on AC, you can see the waveform for the LIN bus. And the last circuit is the actual output signal coming from the mass airflow going to the ECM. And there should be 5 volts on it with just the key on and the connector unplugged, but you can see we have 0 volts. So we most likely have a broken wire somewhere. So since we're potentially dealing with a broken wire, I'm going to use the breaker finder function of this V200 Pro. And we're going to put the switch position in position 2. And then you can trace the wire using this tool. So I'm going along the wire. It gets quiet in this area. Good signal here. Not so good about right here. So let's get this open and see what it looks like. So after removing our tape, these wires actually have not been repaired. And this is our circuit right here. About right there. Appears to be where the issue's at. Let's just tug on it. And look at that. Broken inside the insulation. So I have repaired my circuit. I was going to solder it, but I didn't want to make this circuit too short and put extra strain on it. Butt connector will be just fine. So as you can see, keeps the length about the same as the rest of them. Let's see what the data looks like now, and I'll come back and take this stuff up in a minute. So I've cleared the codes out. You can see we now have a mass airflow sensor reading, and it closely matches the calculated. And we've also got that hertz reading now too. So this thing is fixed. So this was yet another diagnosis made easy using the V200 Pro from Vdiagtool. If anyone is interested, I'll have a link in the video. And if this video has helped in any way, follow me for more.